Welcome. If you're having trouble letting Google Chrome access your photos and videos on your phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make sure Chrome has the permissions it needs so you can upload and share your favorite moments without any hassle. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you manage all the permissions and preferences for your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section called Apps, or sometimes it's labeled App Management, depending on your phone model. Tap on Apps to see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Google Chrome. Once you spot the Chrome icon, tap on it to open the app's settings. Inside Chrome's settings, look for the option labeled Permissions. This section controls what Chrome is allowed to access on your device, like your camera, microphone, and of course your photos and videos. Tap on Permissions, and you'll see a list of different types of access. Find the one that says Photos and Videos. Tap on it, and you'll be given a few choices. To allow Chrome to access your photos and videos, select Allow. This ensures that whenever you need to upload a picture or video from your gallery, Chrome will be able to do it seamlessly. That's it. You've now given Google Chrome the access it needs to your photos and videos. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to these settings and adjust the permissions as needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.